In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Wrike dashboard layout. By the end of this walkthrough, you will know exactly where to click and what to look for so you can quickly customize your workspace to match the way you like to see your work. First, make sure you're logged into your Wrike workspace and that you have access to dashboards. From the main Wrike interface, look for the dashboard section. Depending on your setup, this is usually found in the left-hand navigation panel or under the workspace tools. Give Wrike a moment to load and then open the dashboards area. Once you're in the dashboard section, choose the specific dashboard you want to update. You might already have several dashboards set up, such as one for personal tasks, one for your team, or one for a particular project. Click on the name of the dashboard you want to work with so that it opens and you can see its current widgets and arrangement. With your chosen dashboard open, take a second to notice how it's currently laid out. This helps you compare the before and after and decide what kind of layout might work better for you. Maybe you'd like more columns, a more compact view, or a layout that makes your most important widgets easier to see at a glance. Now, look for the option called Change Layout. This is typically located toward the top of the dashboard area, often near the dashboard name or the settings controls. Move your cursor up to that area and click on Change Layout. When you click it, Wrike will open a layout selection menu or panel. In this layout panel, you'll see the different ways you can arrange the dashboard. Each layout option controls how many columns or sections you have and how much space each widget can take up. For example, you might see layouts with equal width columns or a layout with one wide column and one narrow column. Take a moment to review these and think about how you use the dashboard. If you have one main widget you check all the time, consider a layout that gives it more space. If you're monitoring several things equally, a balanced layout might be more useful. When you've found the layout that best fits your needs, click on it to apply it to your dashboard. Wrike will automatically rearrange your existing widgets into the new structure. From here, you can further organize things by dragging and dropping widgets into the new columns or sections, so everything ends up exactly where you want it. That's all you need to do to change your Wrike dashboard layout. With just a few clicks, you can transform how your information is displayed, making it easier to stay organized and focused on what matters most.